Hey guys, it's Liv, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to do some really cool tips and hacks on how to do your makeup. I've been doing makeup for a while now, and I wish I knew these hacks back then. So let's get into it. So first, I'm just going to use a moisturizer on my face, and then after that, I'm going to use a primer to help the makeup go on smoother. So I use my moisturizer to really protect my face from the sun. I was just at the beach, and my face was peeling a lot from all the sun and all the heat, so this really helps with it. So now I'm going to use the primer. Primer really helps to give that flawless look on your face, especially helping put on the makeup. It makes it so your pores look minimized. Okay guys, now we are going to move on to the lips. I use a lip scrub every day, and I know not a lot of people do it, but it really keeps my lips nice and moisturized and keep them from drying out. And the lip balm with the lip scrub helps the lipstick go on much better. So after that, I like to start on my eyes. A lot of people use foundation before they do their eyeshadows, but I tend to like to do my eyeshadows and all my eye makeup before, just in case there's any fallout so it doesn't ruin the foundation. So right now I'm going to start with a primer, and this helps the fallout and helps the eyeshadow stay on your eyes more. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm going to start with this color as the base. And now using this brush, I'm going to use this color to go in the crease. Next, with this brush, I'm going to use this color and go in the crease of my eye. And then I'm just going to take this brush and go in with this color right here. Go back over the base to make sure it's still on. And then we are going to blend. For eyeshadows, you never want to stop blending. It will always look the best as long as you blend. And now, time for the eyeliner. So for the eyeliner, I'm going to be using a cream. For me, it goes on smoother and it makes the best wing. And one of the hacks for doing eyeliner and getting the perfect wing is to use Scotch tape as an outline for it. Then I'm going to move on to my mascara and then my little wispy eyelashes. So my mascara actually has a primer on it to give my lashes the full volume. Okay, so now I'm going to take my eyelash glue and put it on some little eyelashes, and they come in 3. And I'm going to put them on the outside corner of my eye. And this glue goes on blue. You have to wait for it to dry white to put the eyelash on. So now that I did my eyes, I'm going to start on my face. And you always want to do your foundation before your concealer, or else your concealer will wipe off when you put your foundation on. And I'm actually going to use my finger and just put little spots under my eyes, so all around my face. And now I'm just going to take a paddle brush and blend. So now that I just put on foundation, I'm going to start with my concealer under my eyes, a line down my nose, on my chin a little bit, and on my forehead. Now we're going to use the same paddle brush and blend. So now that I'm done with my foundation and my concealer, I'm going to use this spot treatment to cover up a pimple or a blemish, and it works way better than just putting layers and layers of the same product on it. I'm actually going to use the same concealer that I use all over my face, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger and put it on the spots I need it to be covered. Now using a smaller paddle brush, I'm going to blend the spot treatment. Moving on from spot treatment, I'm going to start my contour. Using these 2 colors, I'm going to make my cheekbones look really good and have a really angled look. I'm going to apply the 2 colors around my cheekbones, right under it, and all around my forehead. After the contour, I'm going to move on to highlighter. I'm just going to highlight on my nose, on my cheekbones, and under my eyebrow. So after concealer, I usually do this thing called baking my face, which it keeps my concealer from creasing and getting little lines in my face, especially when you smile, and like dimples or little creases in your face. It really helps keep your face nice and smooth. I'm going to let my face finish baking while I move on to some lip gloss. So the final two steps are to finish the bake with a setting brush and to spray. The setting spray is to keep your makeup in place. Alright guys, this is my finished look. Those are some of the hacks that I use on my daily makeup routine that really help me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you guys have any tips or hacks that you would like to share. Bye!